My name is Shon, bro, and I drive the 1965 Beetle. I got it from my boy's shop. If anyone knows Old Speed Russ, he had this just chilling in his shop. I was looking for a bug that was complete to put together, and that was the one to go with. I got it for like $1,000, and then I just put blood, sweat, and tear into it. I got it because I needed a daily driver, and I was in high school, so I needed something I can start working on. My dad had one, so he said it was pretty easy to work on, so I decided to make that my first car. You could think in your past, and you believe in things that you don't understand. So what I love most about the car, hands down, is the ride height. Just driving around scraping up the street, like, I don't know why hitting those reflectors are so fun. I call that thing the reflector collector. Performance wise, I'm trying to smoke all them haters. Turbo. I'm gonna do a turbo. I'm most likely gonna go, you know, bigger heads. I'm probably gonna port my heads out a little bit more. Probably bigger carbs in the future. Most likely turbo, maybe. My dream for the car, I mean, I don't know, like, I'm always changing it up. So as long as I'm breaking necks driving it, like, that's just brings my happiness right there.
Worldwide, I'm a young nigga. Stress all week, never thought I would deliver. The cold getting close, so my niggas gon' shiver. I'm a motherfucking king to the bitch when I'm with her. Mama's boy, I'm a mama's boy. Been hiding the names, no summer boy.